𝐊𝐞𝐲 is a leading innovator in the field of renewable energy technology. The company has a reputation for developing cutting-edge products designed to maximise efficiency and performance. One of the company's flagship products is the Capwal Series, a revolutionary energy storage system, providing an energy storage capacity of up to 15 kWh. Its Graphene Supercapacitor cells provide unparalleled safety, ultra-long cycle life, and high energy transfer efficiency. One of the key benefits is its exceptional safety profile. Graphene cells do not contain the flammable electrolyte solutions found in traditional batteries, making them one of the safest storage technologies. In addition, these cells can withstand extreme temperatures, making them suitable for use in a wide range of environments. They also have ultra-long cycle life. They can withstand up to 20,000 charge-discharge cycles, making them much longer lasting than traditional batteries and providing many years of reliable performance without needing costly replacements. In addition to its exceptional safety and durability, our storage system also has high energy transfer efficiency, enabling storage and release of energy more efficiently, resulting in higher levels of power output and longer usage periods. Besides its performance capabilities, the Capwall series is easy to install and requires minimal maintenance. Its compact size and lightweight design make it suitable for a wide range of applications, and its simple installation process can be easily completed. With a team of experienced engineers and technicians, 𝐊𝐞𝐲 is committed to developing innovative and reliable renewable energy technologies that help to drive the transition to a sustainable future. The company's dedication to research and development ensures that it remains at the forefront of the industry, consistently introducing high-tech solutions since 1998.